Hi, I'm Steve Anthony. I'm a handyman here in New York City. What is a flush beam? Well, a flush beam, in its most basic explanation, it's also known as a header beam. It's at the same level as ceiling beams. It's flush with ceiling beams, hence the name flush beam, and it's held in place by joist hangers. It's not the strongest kind of beam that you can use. A cantilever beam is stronger because it's supported by uprights as opposed to being attached. But it can make it easier for installation of duct work, heating, electrical, that sort of thing. And in most situations where you'll find a flush beam, a lot of times it's used in building decks, raised decks, or stairway landings. That's the most common uses for flush beams. And again, though they're not as strong as cantilever beams, sometimes it's just not practical to use a cantilever beam, or space allowance is just not there. You're adding to an existing structure or something of that nature. But it's a lot easier to install a flush beam using the joist hangers between the joists. If you're a homeowner, you're doing a remodeling project and you find the need to install some sort of a beam system, you should really talk to a licensed contractor. Have them come and take a look at your situation, give you an overview of the options that are available to you. Some things can be done very easily by the homeowner, and other things may require the touch of a professional. It's up to you.